Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today we're diving into the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its sleek design, premium feel, and driving dynamics. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next family ride, the CX-5 has something for everyone. So, let's get into the details and see what makes this SUV stand out in a crowded market. Let's start with the exterior design. Mazda has always been known for its KODO, soul of motion design philosophy, and the 2026 CX-5 is no exception. The sharp lines, bold grille, and sleek LED headlights give it a sporty yet sophisticated look. The updated model features subtle refinements, like a more aerodynamic profile and new alloy wheel designs, making it stand out even more. The CX-5 has always been a good-looking SUV, but Mazda has managed to make it even more appealing with these tweaks. Step inside. The interior of the 2026 CX-5 is where Mazda really shines. The cabin feels more luxurious than what you'd expect in this price range. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a minimalist layout create an upscale atmosphere. The 2026 model now features a larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen, which is sleek and responsive. Plus, the updated Mazda Connect system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected without the hassle of cables. The CX-5 also comes with a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you and your passengers can stay connected on the go. Mazda has really stepped up its tech game with this model, and it shows. Now, let's talk about performance, because that's where the CX-5 really stands out. The 2026 model comes with two engine options. The base model features a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that delivers 187 horsepower, which is more than enough for everyday driving. But if you're looking for more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is the way to go. It delivers up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, giving you plenty of punch when you need it. So, what makes the 2026 Mazda CX-5 stand out? It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. It feels more premium than its price tag suggests, and it's a joy to drive. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out on a road trip, the CX-5 is a great companion. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the 2026 Mazda CX-5? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.